In this video, you will see on the M20 highway between junctions 3 and 4, a pedestrian bridge collapses onto the westbound carriageway, crushing a passing lorry. The bridge was precariously hanging over the eastbound lanes, leading to the closure of a critical route, but somehow no serious injuries occurred. A reminder of how quickly the unexpected can change everything. In Tijuana, Mexico, after relentless storms, a landslide struck, taking down 2 buildings. One of the buildings collapsed entirely, leaving behind chaos and despair. 18 minutes before the collapse, the warning sounded nature's unpredictability can be brutal. In Alexandria, Egypt, a train derailment occurred on August 11, 2017, when one train collided with the rear of another at a station. Several train cars were derailed, and lack of proper maintenance and insufficient safety measures in the railway system led to this deadly incident. This tragedy brought to light the urgent need for improved railway safety across Egypt. In San Francisco, a ferry collided unexpectedly with the San Francisco Ferry Building, causing a brief moment of chaos along the waterfront. Thankfully, swift action from emergency responders prevented major injuries and structural damage. The crash prompted immediate investigations into ferry safety protocols to prevent future incidents. In Visakhapatnam, India, crane collapse struck at a shipyard overlooking the Bay of Bengal. This catastrophic incident in August 2020 serves as a wake-up call for the importance of stringent safety protocols in industrial settings. This serves as a tragic reminder that without proper precautions, even the most powerful industries can be susceptible to disasters. In Taiwan, a crane collapsed onto the tracks of the Taichung Metro train in May, causing a huge uproar. This accident caused major disruptions and raised serious concerns about construction site safety. A building collapse in Alexandria, Egypt in 2013 shocked the city. And an apartment building in the Al-Mamura district crumbled due to poor construction practices and building code violations, killing the structure's integrity. The investigation revealed unauthorized additions to the building, ultimately causing the catastrophic collapse. This tragedy still haunts the residents. A brand new affordable housing complex in Lena is nearly destroyed by fire, with 75% of it lost. The good news? Everyone got out safely. Unbelievable, this building had just been completed. On the North Sea Expressway, a vehicle's collision with a concrete divider near the Port Dickinson Toll Plaza sparks a fiery spectacle. This scene of chaos is a stark reminder of how unpredictable the road can be. One moment of instability can unleash devastating results. In northern India, the annual monsoon unleashed devastating floods and landslides that swept away everything in its path: homes, roads, vehicles, and even sacred temples. Entire landscapes were transformed into scenes of destruction. The power of nature in full force is a humbling reminder of how unpredictable the world around us can be. In Hawaii, wildfires ravaged the historic town of Lahaina on the island of Maui. By August 2023, Charred remains of homes and vehicles greeted residents as they returned to assess the damage. Unbelievable sights. How did some buildings survive when others didn't? In Durham, chaos erupted when a deafening explosion shattered the quiet of the city. A gas line explosion caused a building to collapse, setting off an inferno that engulfed the area. The explosion, caused by a contractor's mistake, turned the area into a frantic scene. Fortunately, no one was injured, but the explosion serves as a stark reminder of how one mistake can lead to catastrophic consequences. In Montana, near the Yellowstone River, a freight train derailed after a bridge collapse. The incident led to hazardous chemical leaks into the river, triggering a major environmental emergency. Thankfully, the crew was unharmed, but this dangerous event highlights the risks posed by infrastructure failures. In Visakhapatnam, India, a catastrophic fire erupted at the fishing harbor, destroying over 40 boats and causing a chain reaction of explosions. Although no casualties were reported, the emotional toll was evident as fishermen lost their livelihoods in the inferno. What a wild ride! From crane collapses to explosive accidents, chaos struck in ways we never imagined. If this video shocked you, hit that subscribe button for more incredible content. Stay tuned, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.